welcome to my Hobonichi unboxing. I haven't opened this yet, so I'm really excited. It came in this big box without any branding on it, so I think inside is the Hobonichi box. Let's find out. Ooh, goodies. Okay, so there's planners on top. I'm gonna take everything out of the box. Okay, so hey guys, my name is Chelsea and I'm gonna do my 2024 Hobonichi haul today. This actually came pretty quickly and I ordered directly from the Hobonichi website. And before I get started, I wanted to mention I'm doing a giveaway, so stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'll have all the details and it'll be down in the description. Okay, so I'm gonna open this box first. This year it's a tan color. This is weird. What is this? Okay, so I'm gonna take everything out of the box first. So I think this might be the free item or something. I don't know. Let me open this. That's cute. So yeah, I saw these in a video. So it's just a cute little bag. I wonder if they're all the same. I think so. Okay, so that's cool. So they're not all the same. That's really cool. I like these colors. Is this one different? Ooh, a blue. Oh, it's a rice ball. How cute. Okay, so these are fun. They make good little gifts. And then you also get, I believe, if you order directly from Hobonichi, you get a free pen with every techo that you order. Or something like that. I don't know. You get a bunch of them if you order a bunch of planners. This is a really nice neutral. It's like a greenish gray and brown. Not really my vibe, but I'm still probably gonna use these. I love the way these pens write and I use them a lot. And when the ink runs out, I'll have more. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and open all the planners. This is so cute. All right. So I've got everything opened. Look at these colors. Oh, so pretty. So I ordered the Cousin Avec, which is the whole year split up into 2 separate books. I can't wait to set this up. I'm gonna have to put our new yearly overview kits in here and some tabs. And I'm not sure, does this have the new paper? It feels the same, but I don't know. I like it. And then I also got the English Cousin, which only comes in the full year in one book. Here's the yearly overview for that. So let me compare them for you. I think if you look on the Hobonichi website at their book buying guide, if you scroll like down to the bottom, you might be able to compare pages like this side by side, or at least you can look at the specs in a table, because I remember looking at that when I was designing the kits. But you can see they are a little bit different. The English actually has the month labeled, and then it doesn't have any of the Japanese writing that this one does. You still get all the quotes at the bottom, but they are in English. And I usually, like if I'm gonna be using this, I would use washi and cover that up. But I do like to read them beforehand. So I don't know, it's just kind of nice having that. And I'm just gonna quickly flip through the back of the book. You get some timetables of craft favorites. You can make a list for 100 entries. That's pretty cool. An interview with myself. This is cute. I wonder if that's included in these as well, but if it's like in Japanese. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so that's probably what this is. I think it's a really cute idea. There's even recipes in here. I don't remember this last year. Let me get my Hobonichi. Okay, so this is from 2023 and this is the English. It is different. Yeah, okay, so they've got the graph paper and the favorites still, and then the list. So they had this bit for enjoying conversation, but I like this better. I definitely want to try these. That sounds so good. Oh my gosh, dumplings. Okay, let's see what else is in here. So the words to remember page is still included, but we've got this caring for your eyes page, which is new. And then we still have that 365 days checkoff sheet, which is really cool if you want to track something that you want to do every day. You can see how many times you've done that if you just highlight these little icons. And they've got this informative page for how to use your techo. And this page looks the same as last year's. And the back is the same as well. So that's pretty cool. I like the new pages they've added back here, and I might actually use them. So that's the Hobonichi Cousins. And now I'm gonna zoom in and let's look at the A6. So I just got two of the same thing, one for my mom and one for me. I'm just gonna flip through this and see if this is any different than last year's. So let me grab my A6. So far it's looking the same. You got the list, and then this is probably that little interview page, which is totally different. And then the recipes. What was it last year? I don't even know. I think this is just like a list of your favorites probably. Yeah, so there's some weird stuff back here, and then let me just see what's in this one. So I'll probably just cover these pages with jumbo stickers, but it would be interesting to see what they put in the English book, because I think this is a little bit different in the back than last year's. But I didn't get the English because I prefer to have the two separate smaller books. Since I add so many stickers and washi, it just gets really chunky. Well, I've only got it filled up into August, so I'm not even 2 months into this one and it's already getting a bit chunky. And just to quickly show you guys, this is what one of these books looks like at the end of the 6 months once I have it all filled up. It's huge. All right, now let's look at the weeks. I love all of these colors together, but I am gonna be giving one of these away, but let's look at them first. So this is the new purple. I can't remember the name of the color. It matches my nails. But yeah, it's different than last year's. Let me show you. I should probably take it out of my cover. Okay, so it is very similar. I would describe it as warmer and more vibrant than last year's. So you can see that side by side. They're both really pretty purples, but let me open this up. I think I ordered English. So this is just the regular Weeks. You do get a little bit of graph paper in the back. I mean, it's actually quite a bit. And then you have this measuring tool and favorites page, the list, and the interview with yourself, and the recipe page. So it looks pretty much the same, and it does come with a little clear adhesive pocket you can stick on like this in the corner, or you could even do it like that, possibly. I love the purple, and then I also got the mint. So this is a different material. It's some type of paper, and this is like a fabric. So this is probably not as sturdy, but it is really, really pretty. It's the perfect cool toned mint color. I love this shade, and it's shimmery. Look at that. And then I also got the hot pink mega, and I love this color. This is so pretty. It's just like the perfect pink. Like, look how good that looks with my new pen from the Angel shop. I'm gonna show you guys this in another video coming up. But yeah, I've been loving pink lately, and I really wanted to see this in person. So the Mega is a flexible cover. It's kind of the same as the covers on the original Hobonichis. It's like a thick cardstock, but it feels a little bit different. Kind of like a plasticky, leathery texture. And the Mega comes with extra pages in the back. So it still has all those same pages at the end, but you've got a lot more graph paper back here. I can't remember how many pages this is, but you could probably use these as a daily in addition to your weeklies. And this one is the English version as well. So this one does have a different cover, but I did want to show you guys. It will absolutely lay flat just like both of these. That's something that I'm always looking for, so I just wanted to be sure and show that to you guys. So let's talk about the giveaway. So I'm gonna randomly pick one person down in the comments, and they can pick the color they want, and I'm gonna include the clear cover for you. So if you'd like your chance to win one of these Hobonichi Weeks planners for 2024, be sure and read the details down in the description, and I'll just randomly pick a winner in 1 week. And I'll just edit the description once the giveaway is over, so you can come back and check and see if you won. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!